Where you at, kinfolk? If you want it your way, make it your way. Crispy homemade chicken fries. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need ground chicken, eggs, flour, panko breadcrumbs, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, paprika, and chicken bouillon. Alright, we're gonna start by seasoning our ground chicken with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and some paprika. Now mix it together until all of the seasonings are evenly incorporated. Next, take a small portion of the ground chicken and shape it into a fry. Once you've shaped all your chicken fries, pop them in the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes. Raw ground chicken is super sticky and delicate, so freezing it until it's firm makes it much easier to handle during the breading process. So while we wait, let's set up our breading station. First, whisk 2 eggs. Next, season a cup of flour with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a half teaspoon of chicken bouillon. And we're gonna do the exact same thing for a cup of panko breadcrumbs, season them with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and a half teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Once the chicken fries are firm, coat each fry in the flour. Dip it in the egg wash. And press it into the panko. Then we're popping these back into the freezer for another 20 to 30 minutes. This helps the breading stick so it won't slide off in the oil, and it helps the chicken fries hold their shape. Now heat your oil at 350 degrees and fry your chicken fries for about 4 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. And there you have it, crispy chicken fries. We hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our recipes. And remember to tell everybody you know, them in Memphis be cooking.